Yesterday I had kind of an emotionally bad day. We had a great rain the night before. I was totally stoked. I was excited. The earth was cool. The plants, I didn't have to get up and water the plants, so I was excited. And I went out in the yard, and the deers massacred, ate all the leaves off my watermelon. And the day before that or whatever, a raccoon had got and taken all the netting and ate through the pepper and the red pepper that I sprinkled on my stuff, and ate my watermelons, all but one of them. But the deer came and ate almost all the leaves off the watermelon vines. I was like mad, like sad. I can't even explain to you. It's like someone stole my baby. It was just so devastating. And then Steve's favorite part of the garden is his pepper plants, and he had a serrano pepper and all these peppers. Well, they love the leaves. They don't like the peppers, but if you devour the leaves on a plant, the plant dies. It needs the leaves to capture the sun and get everything it needs and all that stuff. So yesterday, all of his pepper plants were just devoured, and they ate a lot of my Asian melons. So anyway, I had a good cry yesterday. I did not cry just because of these vegetables, but I did some maintenance in the garden yesterday. I stayed positive on the harvest that I had yesterday. And then late last night, Steve got home and helped me build cages. So we're going to persevere. We're going to keep going. But here's a recap of yesterday. These grapes are ready to be picked. They're sweet. Some of them down here aren't. All right, I'm cutting my first grape. All right, my first grapes. I'm learning. Next year I'll know how to protect them and make them bigger and all that. I'm happy. It's attached right there.
I think it does that so it doesn't fall.
Mm-hmm.
You can eat that?
Oh yeah, you can. All right, come up.
So I'm taking it.
So under the cage where nobody can get to them, and in the kind of shade underneath all the tomatoes, are some good ones. Okay, this is what I'm trying to do. These are my Asian melons, and I know they look limp. I'm hoping that since it's cooler today and I did this early, that they will make it. It didn't matter if I left them over there. They were going to die anyway because every animal was eating them. So I'm going to get them to grow up this, and hopefully I'll get some Asian melons this year. This is the first thing I did. I have one watermelon left, and you can see they've eaten almost all of my leaves. But as long as there are leaves, there's hope. So there are some leaves there, and I put it on that, and I'm going to close this cage. This is all I can do for right now until we make our cages with the top. All right, so here's the cage. We went tall on it so we could put whatever plants in it. And now we're working on the carrots. We've got to do that and put the locks on them, the little locks. And then we moved this one over here, back over here, and I'll show you how we did the locks on that. There's the locks on that so that the deer won't get in, and I moved a couple of my little plants that they were eating on, the deer were eating on. Okras, which I don't think you can see, they're little in there. So anyway, thank you, Steve.